So this is ShoeBaker doing live engravings at DTLR over here in Metro Park. We got live DJ, people in and out of the store, buying shoes, getting shoes engraved. It's a different feeling because we bake different. Let's go see.
Shout out to the ShoeBaker. He's up in here working miracles, y'all. One of a kind custom shoes. You can't find them nowhere else.
All right, so this is probably the smallest and the cutest shoe that I ever customized. So look how adorable that thing is.
It is their daughter's birthday that they have engraved on their shoes, and we have the honor of presenting the shoe to them. That works out right. So how you feel about your engraving experience today?
It's amazing. I ain't gonna lie. I didn't expect to do this. This is like spur of the moment, but I'm glad I did because I don't have anything customized in my closet, and I got a lot of shoes. Shout out to ShoeBaker, my boy over here putting in work. He got the system. He got what you need.
This is Anata, y'all. She just got her shoe done by the ShoeBaker. She got a customization done. Let's talk about it. What you get done?
I got my name done. My name is Amanata. I love my name. I'm from Sierra Leone, so it's my roots. Yes, so I had to get my name on my shoe. Everybody know how I give it up. Big Amanata.
Okay. So ShoeBaker, his motto is bake different. And it's not to be better, it's to be unique. How do you bake different?
I bake different on diversity. Just be open, be free, try new things, and just like live authentically in your free truth.